Bile was born to Sri Vishwanath Datta and Srimati Bhuvaneshwari Devi in well-to-do family on 12th January 1863 at Simla in North Kolkata. His father was a lawyer. His mother named him Vireshwar because she believed the baby to be a gift from Lord Shiva. Later, they called him Narendranath, but at home everyone called him Bile. Little Bile was very naughty. His mother and his sisters often found it difficult to control him. The boy would sometimes get very angry and break everything around him. He would calm down when his mother poured a few pots of water on his head, chanting the name of Lord Shiva. Bile was a brilliant boy. He remembered everything he heard. Before he was 6 years old, he knew the stories of the Ramayana and the Mahabharata by heart. Bile started school at the age of 7. He went to Metropolitan School. He had a tutor who taught him at home even before he started school. The tutor came every day and Bile listened to him with full attention. He used to be greatly absorbed in whatever he did. Bile was also greatly interested in singing, riding, fencing, boxing, and physical exercises. He had a beautiful voice and sang devotional songs. He was a happy child and brought happiness wherever he went. He had the unusual quality of not accepting anything as true unless he himself experienced it as being true. Bile was just 17 when he passed the entrance examination of Calcutta University with distinction. He began to meditate and think about God from an early age. This boy grew up to be a great spiritual leader who we all know as Swami Vivekananda. He was the favorite disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. It was Swamiji who founded the Ramakrishna Mission on 1st May 1897 and spread the teaching of Sri Ramakrishna all over the world.